Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of President Cyril Ramaphosa. President Cyril Ramaphosa is under investigation by the Public Protector's Office, including two similar complaints about serious allegations of judicial capture, which are both being looked into. When the Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane tried to stop Parliament from impeaching her, she asked the court to stop Parliament from going through with it until a rescission case of the Constitutional Court was finalized. This would also stop President Cyril Ramaphosa from suspending Mkhwebane because of the investigation. Mkhwebane told the court that Ramaphosa was not allowed to make the decision to suspend her from the office until the impeachment investigation was over because he was not sure what to do. She said, "I have been told that a new complaint has been made about the allegations of judicial capture. However, because I haven't seen it yet, I used the complaint from February." As time goes on, and in the replying affidavit, the new complaint will be shown to the court. Questions were asked about whether Justice and Correctional Services Minister Ronald Lamola tried to influence the appointment of acting judges at the Constitutional Court in favor of Gauteng Judge President Dunstan Mlambo. During the interviews in February, when Mkhwebane wrote to the president last Thursday, she hinted that the investigation might be about alleged collusion between Ramaphosa and Lamola in their joint pursuit of judicial capture. This is what the letter said. Ramaphosa didn't agree with him. Mkhwebane was asked to explain why he should not suspend her in terms of the constitution in a letter written by Ramaphosa. He asked her to do this in 10 days. So after the speaker at the National Assembly told him that Parliament was still working on impeachment proceedings for Mkhwebane, which could allow him to suspend her. In February, the Constitutional Court gave the Section 194 committee, which is in charge of the impeachment process, a go-ahead to keep going. However, Mkhwebane later asked to change some of the findings. She said, "The Zimbabwe case is also relevant to these proceedings because the Speaker Mapisa Ngagula was once the Minister of Defense. A court order will say that the Speaker's actions and the President's actions were both unconstitutional and invalid." She said, in addition, the President's actions show that he has ulterior motives, is biased, and doesn't think about the fact that he doesn't have the authority to suspend the suspension process. "I think that the Speaker's letter, which was also sent before I had a chance to respond, was a carefully timed move to get the President to act and allow me to be suspended without due process. Whether they knew it or not, their separate and or combined actions illegally trampled on my constitutional rights, so they must be ruled on by the courts as requested in both parts of this application." Mervyn Dix, a member of the ANC, filed a complaint about allegations that Ramaphosa broke the Executive Ethics Code. The third investigation about the complaint that he didn't tell and show all the relevant authorities that he knew about evidence that state funds were used for the party activities. She said he didn't tell and show all the relevant authorities. She continued and said that even if the court case over Bosasa donation to Ramaphosa's ANC presidential campaign in 2017, CR17, was finished, it will not solve the conflict that Ramaphosa had admitted to in previous litigation between the two of them. In any case, there is still a lot of litigation going on about the sealing of the CR17 documents by the Pretoria High Court, which will have a big impact on the question of the Public Protector's jurisdiction. If you look at what happened in the previous case, President's biggest objection when reached with what he agreed to, there wasn't a conflict, but that it was exaggerated. As she said, surely the president should not have used the power himself. Instead, he should have given this power to an untainted executive member, as he previously agreed to do. The legal basis for that concession is still there, a clear violation of law and the constitutional integrity and legitimacy can be seen when the president uses this power in the circumstances. The removal process as well is not protected by this. Do you think Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebana will succeed on this one? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.